Obatobie Ogadagidi Chukwu kechara ndị Igbo ke ha a different kind of amamihe nekwa na onye Nigerian government na-declare wanted ka a na-celebrate na Igbo na onye Nigerian government na-declare wanted na ya ka a na-celebrate na Igbo na ebe anya ndị nna anyị ji na-celebrate na Igbo the same person ha na-declare terrorist ha na-declare wanted. So guys, ọ bụ na ịma the kind of gift Chukwu okike abịama ji gọzie ụmụ Igbo in person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa, you should be proud Igbo Nwaafọ Igbo. I'll leave you guys to watch the video. Drop your opinion again in the comment section, and Biko, make sure you are sharing this video. Just watch the rest of the video, guys. I'll be right back. Yes, okay, now fear now. Sure, you are seeing it now. All the Nigerian media blogs will not carry this one. The sabos, they will not carry this one. But tomorrow now, when the terrorist attack starts in Southeast, they will begin to tag it to Mazi Simon Ekpa. Look at the empowerment program he's doing in the Southeast now. Look at how the Biafran women are celebrating him. But the media houses will not carry this one. Tomorrow, when something begins to happen wrongly in the Southeast, they will now start to tag Mazi Simon Ekpa to it. Just watch the video.